Have you been wondering how you can download and install your favorite video from Facebook or YouTube? Or maybe you have been having issues on how to do that. You know, sometimes when you come across this interesting video that you watch on your Facebook and you want to store them into your memory card, and maybe you've been wondering how you can do that. Worry no more, for I bring you the easiest way and the app you can use to do that. So welcome to Godswill TV. Don't forget to always like, share, and also follow me for more updates. Follow me as I'm going to be dropping the easiest way and the app you can use to do that. And it's very easy. It works in every phone, any Android or Apple phone. So follow me guys as we move into the video.
The first thing to do is to locate your browser. You can use Chrome browser or any other browser you are using. When you get there, you type in SnapTube and you click and search for it. Yes, you will see different types of SnapTube there. Go to this one that is written SnapTube app. That is www.snaptubeapp.com. There are other ones, but I will show you their differences. But this snaptubeapp.com is the best one. So you click on that one. Let me show you how it looks like when it opens. Yeah, you can see how this one looks like. You can click on download here, but let's go back and see the other ones so that you will not download another one. This one is snaptube.com. If you click on this one, it's a different look from the other previous one. You can see it now. So prefer downloading from the first one I show you, which is this one. When you click on it and it opens, like then you download. When you download, you install it. I've already gotten the app, so I will go to my phone and show you where the app is. Okay, this is the one I've downloaded before. So when you download your own and install it, you come here and click on it. What you do is when you copy the link of the video you want to download from Facebook, from YouTube or TikTok, let's go to Facebook and see any video that we like to download. Then I will use my page as example. I click on my Facebook. Then I go to my page. I'll go here. Let's say you want to download any of my video here. I'll use it as example. So what you will do now is to click on share. When you click on share, go to options, more options. From here now, you now see where to get the link. This is copy link here. You click on copy link. Then you go back to the same SnapTube and click on it as we did before. Now come on the search place, you click on it, you paste the link, search. You can see the video is here now. So what you do is you see this yellow button down here, you have to click on it to download the video. Now, if you want to download the quality that is best, you go to 720p so that the video will not lose quality when you are watching it. It will be the same quality or maybe it's slight different, but the quality will be okay, just like the way you download it. You download 720p, but the thing is that it will consume more space on your phone. But if you don't have enough space on your phone, you can download 360 or 480. But the best one to download is 720p, the highest quality. That's the one you can click. When you click on it now, bam, you see the video will start downloading. So what you do is to go to this arrow at the top right corner and click on it. You see the video. You can see the video here. It's already downloaded. You can watch your video and enjoy it any day, anytime you feel like. The video now is now in your gallery. Share and follow this page for more updates. Godswill signing out.